Welcome to the Behringer X32 Rack Facebook group. My name is Dana, and I'll be your host. Hey, good morning, guys and gals, dudes and dudettes, cats and you kittens. This is Dana with D&L Studio LLC, and this video we're going to go over for our Facebook group on how to retrieve the information that you'll want to provide if you're having a specific problem. And that way we just don't have to keep asking you over and over again, okay? We're also going to go over how to do it with the X32 edit for the PC, as well as how to use the search engine feature up there in the community group, okay? So as you can see right now, I've got my camera pointed to my X32 rack. And the first thing I'm going to do is go over to Setup, and it's going to be the top right-hand button on the face of the rack. Now, on this particular screen, you'll be able to see what version of software that you're running, as well as what hertz, whether you're in 44.1 or 48. Okay? Now, from that point, we're going to simply use our arrow keys, and we're going to tab over to where it says Card. Okay? Now, as you can see at this point right here, I'm running the X Live card, which allows me to record straight from this console in the back using two 32 gig media cards. Okay? So, at this point, let's go ahead and get into the 32 edit. As you can see, I've got some audio coming in here, and I've got this set up to demonstrate where I will be able to go in and stream live audio. So, at this point, we're simply going to come up here. And if you see this little arrow, you can just expand it, and we're going to go to Setup. And there is our rack that we have, and we've got it going from the mixer into the PC. So here, when we go to Mixer, you can see we have it on 44.1. And everything coming up in here, we're going to go over if you wanted to set your preamps 48 volts or whatever. But we're going to concentrate on the card, and this is the card that we're using right here. Okay, it's the X Live card. The SD slot is the first one it's going to read. It's going to tell me how much time I have, as well as what the size of the card is. Now, the size, or the recording time of the 1 hour and 34 minutes is because I would be recording all 32 channels. Now, if I'm just going to record 16 channels, you'll see that time increase, and of course, if we go down to 8, then I've got 6 hours and 16 minutes, 34 seconds on each card. Okay? So, this is how you get your card information. It's going to tell you right here. Okay? So now let's go ahead and jump up there to our Facebook group, and we'll see about how to assign topics and how to use the search engine feature for the group. Okay guys, so now we're up here in the Behringer X32 Rack user group, and we're just going to start a post, okay? Things I did today with my rack. Now, if you'll notice right here, it says add a post topic. Okay, so you just click it. Now, these are the topics that I've had put in already, and there will be more topics to come. Remember, we're just starting out here. So let's say that how-to videos, one post, show us your studio or layout. Okay, so when you make this post, it's going to come under that topic. So you would simply scroll down and then hit post. Okay, and there it is. Let me see here. One of the things I did with my rack today. As you can see just now, it's tagged in show us your studio. So I'm going to come up here and delete this post because we really don't need it. And you'll come over here, you'll see here are all the tags that we have. So if I click this, it's going to show them all. And if you want to come down through here, you can kind of get a preview of what's up here. If you have a tag or something, guys, recommend it to me. I'll put it up here. Okay. This is a community thing. So let's go ahead and go over to search this group now. Here you can put in whatever you're kind of looking for. The more defined your search is, the easier it's going to be for you to get the particular post that deals with your question. And hopefully there's going to be thousands upon thousands up here in a very short amount of time. So let's say how to get sound out of my DAW. And here it is, getting sound from your DAW to your X32 mixer. And you'll see the highlighted words there, and that's what it picked up. So if you were to click on this post, and then it's on youtube.com, it's a video that I did, you click it, you're going to go to YouTube, and then it's going to play that video. Okay, and that's it. It's just that simple. So this is how you use those features, and it should help out tremendously, like I said, when you're trying to get information. And that way, you may be able to read that and figure it out for yourself, or you can ask your question then. All right? Take care, God bless, and we are out of here.